WordPress course outline. WordPress user and settings. Go to Users. Here you can add or remove users of your website. Then click on Add New User. Username or email or password are required, and other three are optional. You can change the role according to your need. Subscriber can only manage their profile and read content. Contributor can write and manage their own posts, but cannot publish them. Author can publish and manage their own posts. Editor can publish and manage posts, including those of other users. Administrator has access to all administrative features. These roles allow you to control what each user can do. Then click on Add New User.